Alright, y'all, so basically I finished up my first detail and I'm headed to my second detail. First detail was pretty cool because I just did a wash and a vacuum, wiped down on the interior, and I removed some pet hair. So the pet hair was pretty bad, so that's why it took us a little bit too long for that detail. But I'm happy to be done with that one because that one was pretty tough. And that detail wasn't that bad, but it was definitely a lot of work trying to remove that pet hair from the customer's car. So now we headed to the next one. The next appointment, I think, is going to be pretty easy. This customer, she pretty much keeps her cars clean. The only difference is it's a nicer car, so you have to be a little bit more delicate with the type of cleaning you do on those really clean cars. So like the newer version cars, you have to like be delicate with everything, especially like the Mercedes, the Range Rovers, the BMWs. Like they're easier to clean, meaning that the customer like take care of it better. But far as like the material, the plastic, the all that kind of stuff, it's a little bit more difficult to clean because like you have to be, it's like cleaning more glass on the inside. The older cars, they don't have as much glass and like stuff that you have to like make sure is polished off, but the newer cars do. The older cars is more like just regular, you know, cleaning, just wiping off everything. So my next car is going to be, I think it's a Range Rover, so it's going to be definitely easy to vacuum and get that part away. But the wipe down is going to be like a little bit more difficult. But it should be pretty quick because this customer keeps her car pretty clean. As far as the times that I have cleaned the car, so it should be pretty quick to get that detail out the way. Our first car was good, so headed to our second and last appointment so far. I should be done with the day by like it's 3:25 now in Atlanta, so I should be done with the day by 5. I did 2 cars. The totals, I actually upselled the first customer, so it was 150. Now I finished the detail, it was 195. So the second customer is gonna be 150, and depending on if she tips or not. So decent day to day. It's my ideal day. I was talking to the guys earlier about basically my ideal day is to do 2 150 details or 1 full service detail for $300. If I can manage $300 a day whenever I'm working, I'm happy with that. But it's not really about the money, but I'm just kind of giving you an idea of like how I set up my packages so that I can, have a certain amount of money and, bring home that amount of money or whatever. But other than that, man, I just want to spend today to try to work out these live videos with my face on the camera, and see how people like the live videos. So right now I need to wash some of my materials. Like I'm running out of rags and stuff, so I need to wash some of my rags. Yeah, man, I need to wash some of my rags.